when you get a review at the BB&B, what does that particular process look like in terms of timing?
Right.
Can just anybody leave a review and, are we, or, what do you do about fake reviews and,
Right.
that kind of thing?
Yeah, I will tell you, our team is reading reviews. So this is not a fully automated process. This is something where we are going through it. We're making sure that those reviews do meet our acceptance guidelines. When you're a platform that accepts reviews, you do have to meet federal guidelines for that. So there's times where a business wants us to take a review down if it's negative, and we can't just take it down because it was requested. If it meets our guidelines, we do need it up there. But if there are some things in there that don't meet our policy, we would not include those. But overall, we
Okay.
are sending it to the business and giving the business owner a chance to confirm that is a customer. And then if you come back and tell us, I don't know who this is, then we're going to ask for more substantiation. We do allow reviews about interaction, so it may not be an actual contracted customer, but we are also looking for lots of elements in terms of whether or not there's a sign it could be a fake review, especially a fake positive. And we do actually have an algorithm that has lots of elements that it's looking for that help give us a score to tell us if there's any signs that we do need to look deeper into those. We're also looking at trends. If we're seeing, questionable or repeated comments, if we're seeing IP addresses from other countries that, and this isn't a business that would be doing business globally, those are signs that help
Right.
us research these.
Wow, that's okay. And from a timing standpoint, so a business owner may ask for a review, and so
Right.
because there's this process there, it's not immediate. So it is a process. So the review would come in, and you guys would do the process. So the next day, the review would be available to the business owner, right? And then and I didn't realize there's the next part of the process. So it could take a couple of days for this process to take
Right.
take place.
It can take up to 72 hours because we want to do validation at every level. So when we get a review, we do actually send it link to the email address that's provided to confirm that that person can confirm they are the reviewer. And then it will go to you as the business owner to confirm that is a customer. If both parties are very fast about it, it can be up there pretty quickly, but it does take that validation process. As an accredited business, we do have a tool called the Review Solutions that not only helps you to encourage customers to consider reviewing your business. As always, under federal guidelines, you can't ask them, please give me a 5-star review. You can just ask that they review. But it does actually skip one of the validation processes because as an accredited business, we've already vetted your company, we've already confirmed the reliability and trustworthiness. So it does speed up the process. So that is definitely a benefit that comes as part of the accreditation that you can have this tool.